If the volume on YouTube TV keeps changing automatically, it's usually caused by auto volume features, audio format conflicts, or device settings. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your TV or sound system settings. Disable any auto volume, night mode, or volume leveling features in Settings, Audio. These often adjust volume automatically. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close it on your smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or mobile device. Then reopen it. Step 3. Adjust YouTube TV audio settings. Go to Profile, Settings, Surround Sound, and toggle it off, or select Stereo. Some devices cannot properly process 5.1 or Dolby Digital audio, causing volume fluctuations. Step 4. Check HDMI or audio connections. Loose or incorrect cables can cause automatic volume changes. Ensure ARC or EARC or optical connections are secure. Step 5. Update both your YouTube TV app and your device's software. Outdated versions can produce audio issues. Step 6. If using mobile devices, turn off Do Not Disturb, volume limiters, or adaptive sound features that may interfere with playback. After following these steps, YouTube TV volume should remain consistent, giving you a smooth and uninterrupted viewing experience. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.